You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, it is dangerous.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review on this beautiful unit that I have on right here. So if you want to know the details and how I feel about it, keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the stock card. This is the back of it. And the name of it is the Red Carpet Premier Lace Front Wig. I have it in the style RCP7019. It is Jenique 14-inch, and the color that I have it in is SR4/Cherry Pink. So let's get into the color, because I'm pretty sure that you guys want to know like how this color is. So this is how it looks. Color, and then this is the party. As you saw in the beginning of this video, I have lace. It has soft lace. I did pluck the part and add my powder in it. That is about it, and I just combed it. Texture is a soft yaki. It's not like, you know, baby doll hair, but it is on the silky side, but yakiness to it as well. It has like a part, no, not like a part, but it's kind of like a bang. I really like the style of it. Shedding, I only have a little bit of shedding due to cutting the lace. Cap size is normal size. To me, it fits snug, and I have a normal size head with all the standard construction and all that. And let's see what else. So I don't even have any cons about this wig at all. I saw this on YouTube getting reviewed by Wig Types, and the color looked gorgeous on her, so I had to run and get this color. Like, this is like pretty, and I hope you guys like my makeup. I did it especially for this look because this wig is so popping. So, and I had to put on my mauve top to match. Like, this is a good date night look and a good going out look. So yeah, what else can I say about the wig? If there's different ways you can style it. I do have it to where it's like this, and I think you can kind of wear it, well, no, I think you pretty much can just wear it like this, to be honest. Shift it a little bit to the, you know, the side, so it's kind of like not hanging correctly. Let me see. I didn't really want it to wear it the way that it was supposed to be worn. Well, like this is still fine. So yeah, really like this unit. This color is bomb. Luster, it is a natural luster on it. It does have a shine to it, but it does still has like a natural shine to it. So I have no problems with wearing this out in public. Cut on it is kind of like blunt cut, but it also has like curves on it, so it's not like a grammarish type curve at the end, but it does have like a nice you know, bump to it. But yeah, it's really nice. Well, let's see, and excuse me if I'm saying too much. I'm just making sure I don't forget anything that I have to say about this wig. And let's see, what other colors did they have? I think this is the only like bold color. They do have like a blonde blend and a 99J and a 613, but this color I just had to try it. I did purchase this wig from, where did I purchase this from? I think it's from SoGoodBB.com, and it was I think it was $35, but I did purchase it from that website. It came fairly quick, I think within 2 days of me ordering it. Yeah guys, this is all that I have to say about this unit. I love this wig. This is so cute. This goes perfect like with a mauve type outfit like what I'm wearing right now. Or you can wear this like with white. Or you can wear this with like a light pink outfit. I wouldn't wear dark pink because it kind of won't flow. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
With no effort. With no effort. With no effort.